Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to share with you some amazing new tool deals and promo codes over at Northern Tool. We got DeWalt deals, we got Milwaukee deals, and we have some house brand deals to share with you. Everything in this video has free shipping. With Northern Tool, I like to stick with only the free shipping deals because otherwise their shipping charges can be pretty crazy. Now, you can buy online and pick up in store if you have a Northern Tool in your area, which is obviously beneficial, and there may be some additional deals for you in that case, but everybody can take advantage of the free shipping. So I want to tell you about the promo codes that are currently available first so you can keep those in your noggin as we go through all of these deals because the prices are going to be the regular price, not including the promo codes. So we have $5 off 25. Not sure when that expires. Most likely it expires December 31st, but I don't see an expiration date for that one. We do have $10 off $50 purchase. That goes through the 5th of February. $20 off 100 through the 5th of February. We also have one of those for expiring on the 31st of this month. And then we have a free gift card offer. Now, obviously, you can't use more than one promo code per order, but if you get over $100, maybe you prefer the gift card instead of the, well, $20 discount's the highest you could get right now. So going up to $500, you'd get $50, $100, $1,000, you'd get $100. Boy, that's confusing. The gift card's 10%, okay? It's 10% of the purchase at those different breakpoints. So I will have a link to this down below if you need any of these promo codes. And come January, when these other ones expire, I will update those with new codes. Also, they don't spot you the few cents. So if you find something that's $24 and you want to use the $25 promo code, you got to find a filler item. So this right here is a list of filler items that also ship free, sorted by lowest price to high. So you just find what you need, add it, and get your promo code. Not as beneficial for the $5 discount, but when you get up to the $20 discount, if you only have to add a dollar item to save 20, that's pretty amazing. Okay, so those are the promo codes. Now let's get into all the amazing deals. Now for all the deals, we're going to start out with the lowest priced items, work our way up to the more expensive stuff. First off, we have the Iron Tin, which is Northern Tool House brand, toe kick replacement saw blade. This is 3 3/8 inch, 18 teeth, normally $8, down to $1.99 and free shipping. Next up, we have the Clutch Bi-Metal Reciprocating Saw Blades. Some of these deals we have seen before. Other ones are brand spanking new. I just want to include everything for people who didn't see it before, or maybe there's a promo code available now that there wasn't available before, so you can get a little better deal. This is a 5-pack of 6-inch reciprocating saw blades. Started out at $11.99, now $3.99. Again, everything that you'll see in the video has free shipping. We have the Clutch 4.5-inch continuous rim diamond tile blade, $18.99 down to $4.79. That's a pretty amazing deal. Get it shipped to your door for free. The Iron Tin 1500-watt heat gun with your little deflector shields started out as $27.99 down to $9.79, and that's about the Harbor Freight price when you can get one of the good coupons, not one of the crap coupons because they have different coupon pricing. But you're also getting that free shipping, so you don't even have to drive to the store to get it. The Iron Tin corded hammer drill 1/2-inch keyed chuck 4.2 amp, normally $20 down to $12.99. Here we have the Iron Tin heavy-duty hot knife. We're cutting foam and plastic and all sorts of stuff. $29.99, getting those good fumes going, down to $13.49. Our first Milwaukee deal, we have the Shockwave Impact Duty driver bit set. It's a 32-piece set, down to $14.99. Getting all your little insert bits, your 2-inch bits, got a little nut driver deal going, got the holder. All in the handy-dandy modular case. Got another clutch item, the 7-inch continuous rim wet-dry diamond blade. Normally $33, about half price at $18.09. We're getting up to that amount where we can use our first promo code. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty bit set. We're getting 2 cases here, a ton of bits, 74 total pieces. Normally $37 down to $19.99. One thing you'll notice with Northern Tool and their deals on name brands like Milwaukee and DeWalt is it'll be the same sale price that you may find at Acme Tools or that you may find at Home Depot. But when we get the free shipping, for instance, Acme Tools free shipping threshold's $1.99. So if we're getting free shipping here, we're automatically $6 cheaper than Acme Tools. But also, look, none of these other retailers have promo codes like this. Home Depot doesn't do promo codes like this. Acme Tools doesn't have promo codes like this. Even Harbor Freight, when they had their 20% coupon, which they don't ever do anymore, they don't have name brand stuff. They don't have Milwaukee and DeWalt stuff. So it is really unique to Northern Tool and allows us to get some pretty amazing deals. Now, the downside with the Northern Tool is you don't get the free battery promotions or free bare tool promotions like you do from other retailers. So we are looking for specific types of deals to get the best out of Northern Tool. Milwaukee Sawzall Ultimate Demolition Blade Kit. It's a 12-piece kit. Started out at $31.47 and is down to $19.99. Here we have the Milwaukee Thunderbolt Black Oxide drill bits, 21-piece set. Normally $32 down to $19.99. This one we have a little bit of a back order, but it says only 2 to 5 days. There's one that's like 30 days, but it's a pretty good deal, so I included it anyway, but you might just have to sit on it for a minute. Milwaukee Universal Fit Open Lock 6-piece oscillating multi-tool general purpose blade kit with the handy dandy case, variety of blades, some titanium blades in there, some long lasting titanium. Normally $52.97. Now this is one where they probably won't be spotting you those 3 cents. So if we find one of those cheap filler items, try and find something that's $1 or less, maybe a 79-cent bit or something, and then we're going to knock $5 off of that, so $20 for the 6-piece and the case. It's a really good deal. The Milwaukee Holedozer Hole Saw Kit. This is a 9-piece. Normally $55 down to $34.99, and that'll also qualify for the $5 off, making it $29.99. And our first item, we can take 10 off 50, so instead of $50, it'll be $40 for the Milwaukee Universal Fit Open Lock 9-piece oscillating multi-tool general purpose variety pack. The 100-piece Shockwave impact driver bit set with pack-out organizer. This is one of those deals that has been available from several different retailers at this price, pretty much all the Christmas shopping season. But again, the only one where you can use a promo code to save the extra 10 and get free shipping, Northern Tool. So $40 with the pack out. The Ironton 25-foot handheld drain cleaner. This is one that I think I might be picking up. Could be really useful, and I don't mind a corded version when it's something that I wouldn't have to use a whole hell of a lot, but definitely could come in handy, and it beats the shit out of doing it manually. $109.99 down to $54.99. Then we're going to take another $10 off, get it $44.99. Milwaukee Holedozer Bimetal Hole Saw Kit. This is the 13-piece set. $94.97 bimetal. $94.97. Is there an echo in here? $74.99. And we can use the $10 off. Now here's our first item where we can get the $20 off 100 Milwaukee M12 cordless power tool set. You get the 3/8 drill, you get the 1/4-inch impact, you're getting 2 batteries. They are brush tools, a little bit older or more economy tools from Milwaukee, but they're still Milwaukee tools. They still get you in Milwaukee's lineup and plenty serviceable for 99% of the people out there. Instead of $99, you're only going to pay $79. Really good deal getting 2 batteries and 2 tools. With the charger, you'll be all set up, ready to go. And for the DeWalt fans out there, we have the 20-volt compact brushless drill driver kit. You're getting 2 batteries. Those are little baby batteries. They're not impressive batteries, but they'll be fine for the drill or like the impact driver. Now, it is 1/2-inch chuck, which is always better than a 3/8-inch chuck. As soon as you get a 3/8-inch drill, you're going to have a 7/16 bit that you need to put in there, and it's not going to work. So you got to go 1/2-inch. It saves you the headache. $99. We're using the $20 coupon. It's only going to be $79. That's amazing. We really like it. Get a full kit, 2 batteries. And if you want to get the impact driver to go with it. You'll end up with 4 batteries, 2 chargers, 2 tools, $79 a piece with this brushless 1/4-inch impact driver. We got a Keter folding work table with 2 adjustable clamps, 1,000-pound capacity, normally 130, down to 100. This one, it might be close enough that they'll spot you the penny. I'd definitely try the promo code first. If you can't, go ahead and throw it in. $79.99. We have the Life Plus ceiling mount garage heater. I would love to have one of these. My garage is freezing balls cold and full of mice, which pisses me off incessantly. Catching new mice in traps every day. You'd think at some point I would catch up to them, but apparently cornfields bear many mice, and when the corn comes down, the mice come in. $174.99 down to $114.99, and again we can use that $20 off promo code, which seems to work for just about any item. M12 fuel stubby impact wrench with the pin detent, 1/2-inch drive, dimension fuel, normally $199 down to $139. Now this is our back ordered item. It says 30 or more business days, so it might take a while. If you're lucky, you just get it right away and it wasn't as accurate. But $119 after the promo code, that's really good. I mean, for most fuel tools, it's hard to get them for $119 or less. So, DeWalt 20-volt max compact brushless 2 toolkit, getting the 2 batteries, getting brushless tools, $229 down to $149, and we can take the $20 off of that, making it $129. Milwaukee M18 cordless 2 tool combo kit. You get a hammer drill, brushless, 1/4-inch hex impact driver, brushless, and 2 batteries. It's going to be $229 after the promo code. And let's see, we have a 4 amp hour battery, and that's either a 1.5 or a 2. Let's see, this picture will tell us. 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and the hammer drill with the standard charger, not the rapid charger. $229. The Milwaukee M18 fuel cordless 18 gauge brad nailer, tool only, normally $300 down to $249. Then we're using the promo code to make it $229, or you can go with the gift card promo code if you prefer the gift card, if you think you'd be making another purchase at Northern Tool. And here we have the Milwaukee M18 14-inch abrasive chop saw, tool only, $319, and again using that promo code. Now for the chop saw, there are other retailers that are closer to that $449 price, but then it comes with a free battery. I think it's that big ass 12 amp hour battery. So if you need that big battery, you'll have to price it out and how much it's worth to you. If you don't care about that battery, this is much cheaper. Just obviously you're not getting the big battery. So again, this page from my website will be linked down below, and here's the full list of everything we just looked at in the same order as the video, so you can easily find it. And once these promo codes expire, I will do my best to replace them with new valid codes, but at least we will definitely still have the 20 off the 100 and the 10 off the 50 and possibly the 5 off 25. Sometimes they have one at the $200 or $250 or $300 marks, and I'm still in search of those. I don't see any active ones right now, but I will keep an eye out. I will update this page, so give it a bookmark, and hopefully it's useful for you in the future. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you next time.